Yeah. So creating the poultice is obviously important to do that, and for that I'm using muslin cloth. Yeah. And I say 2 of these because it's quite porous. Otherwise the powder comes through it too much. It will come a little bit, that's fine. And then I have raffia, with which I'm going to tie their poultice together. And I got bala powder.
Yeah.
So bala is Sida cordifolia in Latin. And which one is open? That one.
This one.
And it's bala means, in Sanskrit, it means strength. It's a sweet smell that you can feel in it. So what is the quality of sweet?
Bitter reduced.
Yeah. But what qualities? Is it heavy or light?
Heavy.
Sweet is heavy. Yeah. So when you have like really sweet herbs, like you feel it, so you can say, okay, that's a heavy thing. So heavy things are good for nerves. Yeah, heavy things are good for vata, and vata is responsible for nerves. Yeah. So this is a nervine tonic. Yeah. So if you taste it, it's again bitter. So it's good, very good for pitta as well. Yeah. But bitter is also good for kapha.
This is tridosha then.
Yeah. And I use the bala powder as well for udvartana. We used it before for udvartana to say.
Just you pour in the oil.
Yeah, so with udvartana, this we mixed with oil.
Oh yeah.
And then massaged it on. It felt really nice. It's the
exfoliating.
Exfoliating. It was like the right consistency, not too too fine a powder, so it doesn't make into these little things, sticky things. And then it's not too rough either.
Yeah, it's a bit gentle.
Yeah. Okay. So you make this like square.
Where did you get this muslin?
eBay.
All right.
eBay, just organic cotton muslin.
They come already squared, or you have to cut?
Yeah, I have to cut. They come in. I buy 10 meters at a time.
Okay.
But you can buy 1 meter, whatever. It's up to you. And then you start putting a little bit of herb on the cloth. So I put usually 3 to 4 spoonfuls. Let's say that's enough. Yeah. So you pull from the corners. All corners nicely like that. A little old-fashioned
dumpling.
Yeah, it's like kind of dumpling, and then just kind of really neatly pull the cloth as tightly as you can. You can wiggle it a bit. Take raffia, run around twice, and make it into a.
You've done this before.
You've done that. Yeah, a couple of times. And then you take this, wherever it's most kind of smoothest side, you take that, twist it, like fold it down firstly, and then just kind of somehow nicely arrange this into a handle. So just roll it around itself. So now you have this. And then you just go once, twice, as many times as it goes around. You leave it so that you can tie it down, and then the other one as well to the other direction. And then you close it like this. Okay, you take this and that, make it nice. And there you have it.
Amazing. What's the size of this cloth?
That's exact. It's very light.
Yeah. So that'll be infused with hot oil. And we can use the oil that we're making, in fact. So now you can practice yourself. What does it look like?
Did you take 2 or 3?
2.
2.
Alright.
Do you want me to film you?
No, let's film. Hi. Hello.
I thought you took 3. yourself, Maria.
No, that's okay. So this is about 10, yeah? 20 to 20.
Yeah, 20 to 20 is good size. Yeah, so you can see a little bit comes through it.
Sweet, please. Oh, sorry, there is one in there.
So we open this as well. Yeah, we need to.
Fine.
How many of this per treatment, per single treatment?
2.
Okay.
For single treatment, you would need to
2 of these.
if you do full body, but if you just do one part of the body, let's say just doing neck and shoulders, or leg, or one joint, or something like that, then just. So basically, what you do with the poultice massages. First, you do same sequence as Avyanga. So you start doing a few strokes, and then maybe massage the area like usually, but shorter time. So cut the time in half. So if you're doing, let's say 8 repetitions for the leg, then you just do 4. And you make it, go through the leg very quickly. And then, you start massaging with the poultice. And with the poultice, you